Making a swimming pool from scratch? It's easy! Use your imagination and call your friends! This is gonna be fun! There's a big event at school! The project contest! Who is ready to show their skills? But it looks like the students aren't in the mood for projects today! Another boring idea! But Mr. Ryan knows how to motivate them! A cash prize? Wow! Now that's interesting! This is worth working hard! The classmates are having an urgent meeting! Oh, I have so many cool ideas! How about a volcano? No!
Nope.
Let's make a dragon egg! Just imagine! We need something more practical, like a pool! That's a wonderful idea, Barbara! And let's start by deciding what we're going to make our pool out of! Jack has a great suggestion! We can use these lockers! School lockers? Why?
What?
Look how sturdy they are! Hold this! What's going on here? That might actually work, but the pool needs something else. Let's do it, Maeve! Jack already set up the lockers, and we'll cover the structure with plastic wrap. Some decorations will look great here. We are in it to win it. How do we fill the pool? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Maeve, we are taking this. Our pool will be full of soda. That's so creative. Give the empty bottles to me. Let's make some nice lights. That's easy. Let's put a string of lights in the glass bottles and light it. The pool will be lit up at night. When you have a soda pool, it's hard to resist the urge to drink it to the last drop. And Jack couldn't resist. Oh yeah, he's a champion. We all know that. Jack, how could you? But in the meantime, we have more important things to do. How do you put on a swimsuit with Jack around? Barbara, I got it! We need a locker room. Let's make it out of this curtain. Voila! You first! And Jack seems to have had too much sweet soda. He just can't sit still at all. He's so full of energy. Hey, what's going on? Oh, I'm sorry. Now let's make a slide. We have everything we need. A ladder, some boards, and plastic. Let's get started. Think outside the box. The ruler slide is ready for the first test. That was fun, guys. We can have fun without leaving the classroom. Oh no, Jack, you're doing it again. We didn't want a hot tub. The project is almost complete. The friends made it work. But they need to study too. It's time for chemistry class. We're doing a practical lesson today. Guys, it's all yours. What if we opened our own cocktail lounge?
Wow!
The reagents are ready. Let's mix them. Chemistry is an art form. Now let's try it. It's fizzy and delicious. How about me? Barbara's going to get a drink too. Now we have drinks for the pool party, but no bar. Guys, just imagine how cool this is going to be. Okay, we are doing it. Let's put desks on top of each other and cover them with colorful fabric. That's it. The bar is ready. Put the cocktails and the decor here. And, of course, the lights. Help yourselves, ladies. And now we can have some fun. These pictures look like they were made to be colored in. Yay! We did it! This is what scientists should look like at a fun party. Water polo is the best. And if you don't have a ball, take the globe. We got a globe volleyball. cocktails, guys? So relaxing. This is what a pool party should be. It's so hot in here. Boiling. Maeve, what if we change our school uniforms a bit? Let's do it. Cut here. Tie it like this. The result is a cute top. And we don't need sleeves either. Perfect. Now we won't feel so stuffy. And while the girls are resting, Jack will make something. He's trying to make a hammock. Now let's test it. We're having a good time, right, girls? But a hammock made of chairs isn't very strong. That was a bad idea. If you have a piece of cardboard, you have everything. You can make anything out of it. Even sunglasses. Cut them out. Make lenses out of duct tape. And darken them. Don't forget to decorate. Barbara is ready for the sun. And now a tutorial from Maeve. She's making a cardboard hat. You need 3 of these pieces. Cut them out carefully. Make a cylinder. Attach the circle to it. This is where the visor will be. And these stickers will be a nice decoration. It's time to try it on. It looks very nice. Working on this project is so tiring. We need to grab a bite to eat. There's a rush in the cafeteria today. But Jack doesn't mind. When you're broke, you have to get creative. Look, there's the principal dancing. I think I'll take these goodies. Stealing from the school cafeteria? This is unacceptable. But Barbara and Maeve are going to fix it. Guys, don't be mad at Jack. We'll make it up to you. That's better.
Wow.
Everything is settled. Hey, I got hurt too. Yeah, sure. Is that enough? Totally. Let the girls deal with the problems. Jack needs to eat. The lunch will have to be postponed. Jack, how could you? Taking other people's food without permission is bad. Oh no, not a lecture on manners. But we can't let the food go to waste. What? Broccoli? No, I'd rather skip. What's going on in art class today? No creativity. The same old assignment. This is so boring. I have an idea. We need invitations to our school beach. That's where you can show off your talent. Let's draw. We can show the whole school our project. Everyone will love it. Except Miss Betty. What is that? Where's the actual assignment? It looks nice. I'll give you that. But you get a solid F. Too bad. The guys tried so hard. Girls, cheer up. Would you like an A? Anything for you.
Wow.
Thank you, Jack. Good grades are the key to a good mood. And then it was time. The classmates did their best too. Volcanoes with real lava. Dragon eggs made out of pure gold. A school project battle is coming up. What about you, Barbara? Ta-da! We have a school beach. Are you serious? That's not a real project. Come and see for yourself. Here are our party invitations. This might be interesting. Let's go see. Wow! The classroom turned into a real beach. There's a swimming pool, too. The soda is flowing like a river at this party. And the fun level is off the charts. But the principal clearly wasn't invited. Oops! Who let him in here? I didn't expect that from you. Not inviting me is a violation of every school rule. Yay! Mr. Justin is down to have fun. And this team definitely deserves the grand prize. like our school beach? Would you like to do the same thing in your classroom? Tell us in the comments! And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you never miss any new stories on Troom Troom Wow!